If you're moving to Michigan this year, there's a death timer on your Second Amendment rights the moment you cross the border. Most people, they think Michigan's a green state for gun owners, and they're half right. But there's a massive registration myth and a specific licensing trap that's currently landing law-abiding citizens with felony charges. In this video, I'm breaking down the 5 laws that catch everyone off guard, including the 2026 safe storage updates that change the rules for how you keep a home defense tool in your own bedroom. This isn't about politics. It's about keeping you out of the courtroom. If you want to protect your family without becoming an accidental felon, you need to see law number 3. First, let's talk Michigan Gun Reciprocity. Michigan's a shall issue state, and we generally honor CPL permits from other states. But there's a massive catch. We only honor resident permits. If you have a non-resident permit from Utah or New Hampshire, it's worthless the second that you establish residency here. The moment that you get your Michigan driver's license, that out-of-state permit has a death timer on it. It's no longer valid for concealed carry in Michigan. Number 2, the registration myth. Here's the secret that even some local police departments, they get wrong. Michigan does not have a gun registry. What we have is a sales record database. Wait, then why do people tell you to register your guns when you move here? Because of a common myth involving the RI-60. That's actually a sales record form. So if you already own your handguns in another state, no sale occurred. If you sell the gun to yourself on that form, you're technically signing a state document with a false statement. In Michigan, that's a 4-year felony. So what do you actually do? Well, your priority, it's not registration, it's your Michigan CPL. Normally, you have to be a resident for 6 months before you can even apply for a CPL. But here's the pro tip. If you hold a valid CPL from your previous state, that 6-month wait period is waived. You can apply the day that you get your Michigan ID. You'll still need to take the Michigan-specific 8-hour safety course, get fingerprinted at the county clerk, and pay the $115 fee. Do this immediately because until that Michigan CPL is in your wallet, you can't carry concealed. Number 3 are the 2024 safe storage standards. This is where the new Michigan catches old school owners off guard. As of 2024, if a minor is likely to be present in the home, your firearms must be unloaded and locked in a safe or with a trigger lock. If a minor gets a hold of an unsecured gun, you're looking at jail time. If they discharge it and hurt someone, that's an immediate 15-year felony. We also have red flag laws in full effect. This means family or police, they can petition a judge to temporarily remove your firearms if they believe you're a danger. This is being used in Michigan courts every week, so check yourself. Number 4, stand your ground. When you're buying a home, you need to know your rights inside that home. Michigan, they follow the Castle Doctrine and stand your ground laws. You have no duty to retreat if you're in your home, your car, or anywhere else that you have the legal right to be. As long as you honestly and reasonably believe deadly force is necessary to prevent death or great bodily harm. In Michigan, your home, that's your fortress. Number 5, the federal trap. For my military families heading to Selfridge, being a legal resident doesn't mean you're safe from federal law. Take marijuana. It's recreational and legal here in Michigan. But the federal government, they still consider you an unlawful user if you partake. If you have a medical card or even a digital trail of receipts from a dispensary and you try and buy a new gun, you're walking into a federal trap. Getting burned here looks like permanent ban from firearm ownership and potential perjury charges. Now, before you hit the road, here's a quick summary of how to stay legal. Number 1, keep your out-of-state CPL valid until you arrive. Number 2, take a Michigan CPL class, and you can actually do this before you get your Michigan ID. Number 3, get your Michigan driver's license. Number 4, apply for your CPL immediately at the county clerk's office, showing your out-of-state CPL to get the 6-month waiver. And number 5, do not carry concealed until the physical Michigan CPL is in your hands. If this breakdown helped you today, please hit that subscribe button. We release new guides and tips for Michigan residents each and every week, and I don't want you to miss the next update. Now, why am I telling you this? Well, because as a realtor, I don't just sell you a house. I help you integrate into a new life. If you're a collector, You need a home with a footprint that can support a heavy safe. And if you're a sports shooter, you're gonna wanna live in an area where the enforcement culture understands your lifestyle. Relocation, it's not just about square footage. It's about compatibility. And if you wanna know which of the counties in our area are the most owner-friendly, watch this next video where I rank the top 3.